In today's video, I'll show you how to connect DSers AliExpress on Shopify. First, open your browser and go to the DSers website. Log in with your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. On the platform selection page, click Shopify. A new tab will open taking you to Shopify. Click Install and then Authorize to connect DSers with your Shopify store. Next, connect your AliExpress account. Follow the prompts to log in or authorize the connection so DSers can source products directly from AliExpress to your Shopify store. Once linked, use the search function in DSers to find products you want. Import them to your DSers import list. From there, you can edit product titles, descriptions, variants, and pricing to fit your store's branding. And that's it. You're ready to manage and sell AliExpress products on Shopify using DSers. Thanks for watching and happy selling!